Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, check out my Instagram for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out a beautiful Versace necklace. Now this is super expensive, this is around $2,000. I did get this on sale, and this was in my Black Friday video. A really good video, but a video that I think deserves a lot more attention, especially this necklace. So without any further ado, let's retake a look at this necklace and get a closer look at it. Now here's the packaging for the beautiful, beautiful Versace necklace. Now these are the two boxes that you do get with it. On the left you do get the normal Versace box, and on the right you do get the beautiful jewelry box. So taking a look at this amazing Versace necklace, this one is so cool. Now this one is so heavy, it's so amazing. It's all incorporated with black Versace crystals, and you have some thicker ones at the top versus like on the actual Medusa head. This chain is so cool. I really, 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 really do love this. Like I said, I did return it, but I do wish I did have it back, and I actually might repurchase it because this one is just so cool. So, taking a look at the Medusa close up, it's just so detailed, and right above the actual Medusa head, you actually do have the rings with the actual Greca print on it, so that is a really cool fact. Zooming back out, this is just such a beautiful necklace all around. It definitely does give me like rapper vibes for sure, and this one 100%, like, I love it. Okay, so now we can go ahead and take a listen to how the chain actually sounds. We can hear that it actually does sound really, really heavy. It does have a lot of weight to it, and we can definitely like hear like the metal and the silver incorporated in this. Now taking like a really cool close-up on the necklace, we can definitely get a huge better view of the black Swarovski crystals on it. Now I'm not sure if like the thicker ones at top, if they're a sapphire or if they are a black Swarovski crystal versus like on the actual Medusa head. But either way, it's so super cute, and I really, really do love it. On the back of the Medusa head, it does say Versace, made in Italy. So now let's go ahead and take a listen at this actual sound of the chain. We can see how bad that it really does squeak. So, every time I had to move my body or my neck, I always heard that squeaking, and it just definitely wasn't something that I wanted. And that is it for this beautiful, beautiful Versace necklace. Now, originally, this did cost over $1,000, but with the sales price, I did get it for $912. So that was a really good price, especially for this chain. $912. If I ever was to rebuy this chain, I would definitely try to spend, around that same price point and not full price for it. But, definitely maybe on my list again, and, we will soon see. Okay, that's the close-up on the necklace, and as you see, it's just so beautiful, but like I said, it just squeaks so much, and it's actually so loud in person. So every time I would wear it, it would just go squeak, 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 squeak every time I moved, and it would just be so annoying. So I honestly could not handle that. But then besides the squeaking, I did have a bad feeling about the necklace. I thought it was going to cause too much attention, and somebody was going to think it was worth more than it actually was. I feel like somebody thought I was going to be wearing like a $10,000 necklace outside without like a security or anything, and that's definitely not the case. Even though it is about 2,000, I know it's still pricey, but I think like if somebody thought it was 10,000 compared to 2,000, I just had a bad feeling about it, so I trusted my gut and I did return it because I didn't really feel safe wearing it in public by myself. So I did think it was a good decision overall, and like I said, the squeaking of it, I could just not handle that. I just felt like a little chipmunk was hanging around my neck all day. But this is a super beautiful necklace, and to be honest, I do want it back, but I just don't think it's worth the money necessarily. So I did originally get this necklace to go with my blue sweater, and yes, I do have a review on the blue sweater as well, and this is just so cute. This outfit together is just absolutely everything, this and the necklace, but the sweater is just as perfect without it, so maybe one day I will re-get the necklace, but that is why I returned it, but it is super beautiful. And also, since I did get it on the Black Friday sale, like I said, it was originally about $2,000, but I did only get it for $912, which is still a lot of money, but 50% off was still a great price. Also, you may be able to see that I did change my background, so now you can see all of my cute, lovely handbags. So you can see like my cute little Balenciaga, which was my last review, my Barbie collection, all of my Versace's, and you can see my Burberry teddy bear, which is just so cute. and so much more. So my birthday is coming up in November, and I might be getting another handbag. I think I have a Gucci bag at the top of my list, so I probably will end up with that one. So maybe in November, once I do get my new one, I will be doing an entire handbag collection video, which I am really excited about, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me your thoughts and your opinions on Versace and this necklace in general, and have a great day. Au revoir.